Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So this is what I usually do when I start my motorcycle. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is turn on the fuel, the gas line, and then pull the choke and then turn the key on, right? So turn the key on, make sure it's on, and then after that you go to run on the safety switch, and then you press the start button, right? So you hear that, right? You hear that, right? So this is what happened right here. Let me show you the voltage. So I have the voltmeter here, right? So we're gonna test the voltage, right? So first, let me turn off the engine. So turn it off, and let's do 12 volt test, right? As you can see. Okay. So then face this way so you can see. Okay. So when you hear your engine go, that before it starts, that means your battery is very is low. So what I want to do, I'm gonna test. So basically, you got positive and you got negative, right? So now, as you can see, my battery is 12.55. That means good, right? But wait, watch when I turn it on. Turn the key on. Turn the key on. It's 18183. See that? 11.83, 80. So when I turn on the engine, trying to crank it up, as you can see that? It dropped all the way to 8 and 9. So what's that mean? Does that mean is the engine battery itself is low, or it's about to go out? So for that matter, what you want to do is you always want to get one of these right here. Let me show you. So for if you have a box like me, then let me get all this stuff out. So if you get a box like me, you can put a lot of stuff in here, which is, like I said, is super useful. Let me put this in here. So what you need is a jump box, right? This thing is not expensive at all. For a motorcycle, you don't need a lot of. For a motorcycle, you don't need a lot of crank amp to start a motorcycle. So I would suggest just get the cheapest one you can get. So I bought this. Look, this thing is about a shape of a phone, okay? Look how thin it is. This is the cheapest one, and I got it on sale. It's about maybe $10 or $15. So this is what you want. You need a little jump box right here. So let me show you, okay? So then it's easy for me just to have the extra wire coming out right here. But all you need to do is, as you can see, you just plug this in on the back. See, all you need to plug it in. This thing you can fit inside this glove box over here. Easily fit in there. So what you want to do is attach to one of the ground, and the other one, I make this special tail right here, you can attach. I can attach it right here without a problem. Now I have the positive right here. I can click on this, and that's it. And now all I need to do is turn it on, turn it on, and as you can see, I turn it on. So I got the positive here connected to the battery, and then you can ground it anywhere. I just ground the clip right here, and then all I need to do is turn it on, and now look how good it is. Start right away, see? Now it just start right away. And now I just remove all the stuff. Remove this. And I'm good. See, as you can see, the jump box is cheap, it's easy, and then you can just bring along. If you have a box like me right here, this one, you can easily fit that jump box in. But if you don't have that, you can easily put it in the back of here, the compartment, easily, and you don't have to worry about your battery die anymore. Look at that. Look at that. You can easily fit it in the back. See that? Easily fit in the back. So do yourself a favor. There's a holiday coming, and you know there's a lot of stuff gonna be on sale, especially this the jump starter right here, the jump box right here, and you can easily buy for $10 or $15. Buy the cheapest one you can get. It doesn't matter, as long as it's a jump starter or a jump box, then you are good. It doesn't matter how small it is, because a motorcycle, they don't need a lot of cranking them to turn on, to start the motorcycle. So that's what you need. Like I said, it's easily fit in here. If you don't have a and look how thin it is, and look how light it is. It's very light. So if you don't have the box, easily fit in there, and then you just tape on use a double-sided tape if you want to. Just tape in the back of that, and you are good, and save you a lot of time. You don't have to use the push start thingy. You don't have to worry you're stuck in the middle of the road. Or you don't have to worry that, you know, you just go into the store and you come out, you can't turn on your motorcycle anymore. So that's a very useful stuff that I just want to show you today. And nice and very easy to do. And since it's a holiday, you know, this the Shadow 600, the battery itself is, I think I got one on the Thanksgiving Black Friday for about $21 for the battery. So I bought $21 battery, and this one is the last 4 years. Okay, 4 years for $21. See, I got one right here. This is $21 right here. And since my scooter right here, I bought both the batteries at the same time. So this one is 4 years old too, and it still works. But you know, I got this the scooter battery for only $19. So since it's so cheap, I'll just go ahead and switch both of them at the same time. So I get another 4 year, $21, $19. What else can you ask for, right? Starbucks coffee is like what, $8. So there you go. So that's just a little useful tip. Yeah, if you have a motorcycle or you have a scooter, So I gotta show you this, okay? After I install a new battery, this is what it sounds like when it turn on, right? See that? This is a weak battery and then a good battery. There's a different sound, as you can see. One press, go boom, right away, start right away. See? And it sound better too. So that's it for this video, and if you find it useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and hopefully if you have the same problem I am, so hopefully that will help you out a lot. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.